Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 19th, 2022. We are going to talk about Chiliz today and try to see whether or not this particular cryptocurrency is in a new pump phase. Recently, the price has gone higher, so I wanted to come in and speak to everyone and say, okay, hold on. We have moved into a different price arena, but the pump may not actually be on the table. Welcome everyone to the channel. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel if you appreciate the content. If you all appreciate the heads up that I am creating for everyone on our channel to be ahead of the competition. If you guys want to join me, go ahead and do those things in order to join. Now, right now, you guys can see that there was already a price prediction in the market in Chiliz. You guys can see that I did a video on February the 11th, 2022, looking for the price to go up. Now, from out the gate, you guys can see that initially Chiliz went ahead and went down in price. It came all the way down to the support area that I established back in February. So even though the market initially went down in Chiliz, the market ultimately came to our ultimate TP price right here on March the 28th or even March the 27th, to where we could have garnered 23% out the market. At the high was in March the 30th, was on March the 30th. We could have received around 48%. So either way it went, we were in position to capitalize off of this price move in Chiliz, and that was how high the market went. It didn't go no higher than that after March the 30th. So since March the 30th, price in Chiliz has been in a massive downtrend. And now here we are today seeing the price come up. So I wanted to come in and speak to everyone and show you all what I'm suspecting that the market in Chiliz is about to do. So let's go ahead and see this. First of all, I'm going to extend out this support area that I've created back in February, because this area is going to play a very important role as to whether or not we will see market in Chiliz continue to go up. That's the first thing. So we are already seeing that that has to be maintained right here. Okay, just like it did back in March, just like it did back in January and February time frame, we need to see this continue. All right, so next thing I wanted to show you all is that the trend currently into the market in Chiliz is still in play. Okay, so we're in an uptrend and the market needs to hold 16 cents. Both of those things needs to happen in order for the pump to occur. If we see the price in Chiliz break this current trend line to the downside, don't expect the market in Chiliz to give us a massive pump. We're not going to expect that. Yeah, we can still see the price move higher, but the swiftness of the move higher is going to be waning, especially if we see the market break this trend line. Okay, so currently you guys can see that on this daily time frame we are down 5.5%. Looking at the market right now in Chiliz, we're still in a downtrend into the market, which represents that, yeah, people are trying to take profit into the market in Chiliz. We saw the market run up over the last month or so. We've seen the price in Chiliz go from 10 cents all the way to a high of 23 cents, which is 129% run up in less than a month or so. So yeah, obviously you would expect people who were riding the train to eventually get off and take some of the profitability. Now I'm here to show you that these two 3-day price bars, right? We have what, 13 hours left on this current 3-day price bar, which is right here. This is indicative of weakness. So from out the gate, we need to be thinking that price in Chiliz is going to go down. So we need to now think how low. Okay, this current 3-day price bar, this last previous completed 3-day price bar has seen about the same amount of volume that is coming in right now. Okay, so we're seeing about the same amount of activity come in over the last 6 days. The first 3-day price bar, the activity was able to push price higher. On this current 3-day price bar, we're seeing the market come back down. So people are selling right now in Chiliz. Okay, and you guys can see a little bit better here on the 5-day time frame as well. With all of this high volume, we could suspect that the market was getting inundated with people trying to sell. So currently I'm going to look for the price in Chiliz to go down. Already I can see two areas that we need to be paying attention to for buyers. This is the first area right around here that we need to see the market in Chiliz come in hold, which is around 18 cents, maybe 17 cents. And then the second area is around 16 cents. Okay, those are the two areas that we need to see the buyers come in Chiliz and hold this market. All right, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart real quick and I'll let you all get your time back, because this is not a hard game. This is not something that is difficult to understand and forecast, to figure out what the market is up to and where is it trying to go. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart now. Now 18 cents is the first spot. Okay, that gives us almost 9% movement to the downside from where the price is right now. Okay, my second area is going to be right here around 16.5 to 16 cents. Okay, that gives us a 17% movement to the downside from where Chile is currently trading. And as the market continues to trade over the next couple of days, 5 days, weekly time frame, if we continue to see the market in Chiliz do this, come in and hold this area around 18 cents, then the movement higher is going to be a lot swifter. It's going to happen quicker. If we see the market in Chiliz break 18 cents and come down to 16, that tells us that the market is a little bit more weaker than it is giving us the strength, and it's going to take it a while for the market to move back up. Okay, so that's it. I am done. I want you all to go ahead and take a second and give me your price prediction into the market in Chiliz, and let me know whether you all suspect that this market is headed. I've given you all my idea as to where I think it's going to go, where the buyers are going to be located, and if they're not there, then we will still be prepared to see the market break below 16. I mean, we're already in position to see the market fall down. All right, so that is it. Let me know. And as always, like I always say, make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.